Hey folks, it's Josh here with Superior Boat Repair and Sales. Today we're going to take a look at this brand new 2020 Super Air Nautique GS22. This boat's done in the Mystic White with the Onyx Black hull. We did the black tower on this as well. It is sitting on a tandem axle boatmate trailer. Just another really nice version of a classic color combination. See, we did go with the Mocha sea deck. You can see it covers out really nice oversized swim platform. Down underneath here, do have the standard NSS wave plate. We optioned it with the underwater lights. And you got that Nautique fresh air exhaust and that NCRS plate. Alright, taking a look up inside here. See, we went with the Mystic White main color. Did the Onyx Black for the main stripe, seat boxing and accent piping. Got that really nice walk-through transom on these GS22s. Really nice squared off open bow there. Did option it with that bow filler cushion. Alright, looking over here on the port side. See, I do have that lock in place lean back up. Makes for a really nice seating position. Underneath the spotter seat here, you can see just a really nice amount of storage. We did do the upgrade stereo system, so you get the 10-inch sub along with the bow speakers. Alright, taking a look over here on the starboard side. Really nice little storage area here. Houses that really nice new cooler by Nautique. Trash can there. And making our way up to the helm. Got that really nice helm command center there, which is standard, and the 12.4-inch link panel array screen, which is also standard on these boats. Not too many manufacturers include as many standard options as the Nautiques do. Alright, taking a look aft here. One of the really nice things about the GS22, we did option this with the retractable ski pylon. So this boat is phenomenal when it comes to having a ski wake, especially for a V-drive. We did option this boat with the Pro ballast system. That's an additional 700 pounds. Bringing the total ballast to 2,900 pounds. This is just a monster when it puts out a surf wave. Pushing this boat is the PCM 5.3 liter ZZ5 direct injected engine. It's giving you a little over 400 foot-pounds of torque. All right. That's a quick walk around on this 2020 Super Air Nautique GS22. Come down to Superior Boat Repair and Sales. Take a look at this boat in person. Give us a call at 916-638-3382.